Morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can download and install the present latest version of Java, which is Java 11 on the Windows 11 laptop, and I also show you how you can set the Java path. So on your browser, Chrome browser, on the Google you can just search as Java 11 download for Windows 11. See, this is what I have searched, and better go for Oracle site, Java Technologies, Java SE. This is the link. If you want, I'll drop this link in the description also. So this is the link. See here, Oracle Java Technologies, Java SE, JDK 11 archive. So on this link, yeah, I'm just pasting this. This is the link where you need to official website of the Oracle. This is where you need to download, and mine is Windows 64-bit operating system, so I need to choose this one, Windows x64 installer. This one, download. I need to accept the terms and conditions and click on download. But Oracle will ask for the account. If you have account, you need to sign in, then the download gets automatically downloaded. But there is no account for me. Now I'll create an account, but I'm not showing you the creation of Oracle account in this tutorial. I'll just this create this one. I'll pause the video. I'll just create the account. See, I already created the account successful. Okay, I'll just log into the account what I have created just now. So the same process. Okay, yeah, I'll click on download and it asks for the sign up. So as I already have just created the account of Oracle, I'll just log in with my username and password, which is my Gmail and the password created for Oracle account, and the download of Java 11 will automatically get started. Let us see. Yeah, it's processing. See, Java JDK is getting processed. Okay, that's fine. What I'll do is I'll open my download folder. Here is my download folder, and here is the Java exe file. Yeah, this is what I have downloaded. So it is getting just installed on my computer. So I'll click on next. The path is okay. Yeah, the installation is completed. Okay, the installation is completed successfully. Now I need to give the Java path now. So I need to open my control panel on my computer. I'm trying to open my control panel. Yeah, I'll search for control panel. Yes, control panel, and here I'll try to open environmental variables. So this is my control panel. I'll maximize this one. Yeah, here what I'll do is on the search bar of control panel, I'll search for environmental variables, enva environment. So it is already gave up with the result. See here, edit the system environment variables. I'll need to click on this link, and I'm clicking on this link. See here, under advanced you can find environmental variables. Under advanced environment variables, tap on this and add a new environment variable, which is java underscore home. Everything should be in capital letters, java underscore home, and variable name is, you need to give the path of the java where it is installed on your computer. It is installed on C, program files, Java, and JDK 11. So I need to give the JDK 11 also. I forgot, but I will add it now. Java. Okay. Yeah. Now I need to give the path also. Path is nothing but I need to open this JDK 11 and I need to add the bin also. I'll copy the bin folder and I'll paste under the path. Yes. Okay. Yeah, as I forgot to give the JDK 11, I'll just edit that. I'll double tap on this. I'll give the JDK 11 also. Yeah, here, this is the complete path of the Java on my computer. So yeah, I'll modify this. Okay, now the environmental path also set for the Java. Now I'll what do, I'll open command prompt cmd. I'll check the Java version on my command prompt, so that if it successfully get installed and the path is okay, it will give the Java version number, Java hyphen hyphen version. See, Java 11, or I can just search as Java C also. That is also fine. Yeah, Java is successfully installed, and I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice